Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce insurance premiums with State Farm, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce your insurance premiums with State Farm, begin by assessing your current coverage. Log into your State Farm account or contact your local agent for assistance. Review your existing policy details. Identify any areas where you may be overinsured. Consider adjusting your deductibles. Increasing your deductible can often lower your premium. Explore available discounts. State Farm offers various discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, and even having good grades if you're a student. Inquire about any new discounts that may not have been available during your last policy renewal. Evaluate your current vehicle's coverage. If you have an older vehicle, consider dropping collision or comprehensive coverage. Consider taking advantage of telematics programs. State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program rewards safe driving habits. Review your home insurance policy if applicable. Bundling home and auto insurance often results in savings. Ask your State Farm agent about payment options. Some plans offer discounts for paying premiums in full or setting up automatic payments. Consider taking a defensive driving course. Completing a certified driving course may qualify you for additional discounts. Regularly reassess your insurance needs. Life changes such as marriage, a new job, or moving can impact your coverage requirements. Finally, don't hesitate to shop around. Comparing rates from other companies can provide insight into your current premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.